Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. One of the most common questions that I get asked is how to import Google Fonts into your style sheet. And Google Fonts has changed a bit recently, so it is something of confusion when you try to go through the process and understand how to capture that import statement. And that's what we're going to go over now. So in Google Fonts, when you get in here, there's a variety of things that you can do. For starters, you can type something into the preview box and you can see how your text will look in that particular font. You can also play around with the writing system, the language, the feeling. I have not played with any of these, so fully, I don't fully understand. Oh, it looks like they pull in different fonts based on this particular categories. And then you have different appearances, fonts that meet these particular appearances, whether it's calligraphy, there's various serifs. Looks like, okay, so under calligraphy can't be wacky, so you have to unselect that. There's various serifs, sans serifs, and there's one here called technology or color, and it looks like that one won't work with cute, so you have to uncheck that, and then this will display all of the colored fonts. Okay, so once you have your font selected, we'll go ahead and clear all of this, clear the filters, go back to our list view here. Like let's say, for example, I want to use Roboto. So I'll select Roboto, and now I want to click on Get Font. Okay, Get Font, and then Get Embed Code. This is typically the way I like to develop. I like to grab the import statement and use that in my style sheet and then pull it into my HTML and keep everything keep everything in my style sheet without putting anything in my uh, index head. So I'll click Get Embed Code, and then here, Import. Okay, and we're using the web version. So down here, I'm going to change styles, and I'm going to uncheck this because I don't typically need all of the styles. Okay, the one that comes pretty standard is going to be the regular, and you have to have at least one selected. So the ones I typically like to grab with Roboto, 100 italic, light, 300 italic, grab 400 italic, and we'll grab a 700 and a 700 italic. So I've got all of these, and now I'll grab that import statement. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go into my style sheet, and I'm going to paste that import statement right there. Now you'll notice that the font styles here have not changed. Okay, that's because we need to declare it in our body. So with Roboto, you can just grab your font family, and you can say Roboto, and you'll see that it now changes. Okay, and if you missed that change, I will comment this out, and you can see it goes back to Times New Roman and Roboto. Okay, if the screen seems a little bit small, let's try it again. Okay, and you can see how that import statement applies. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.